Welcome to Wendy Bright Production channel. How to make shower gel or bathing liquid soap at home. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Your ingredients: for 5 liters of bathing liquid soap, use your SLS and your Tezapon. So you dissolve them in water and leave them for 24 hours so that they will dissolve very well. Stir very well. So after 24 hours, you can see how the Tezapon looks like. Measurement is at the end of this video. SLS after 24 hours, my glycerin, my fragrance, color, and my table or cooking salt. Then you add your SLS to your Tezapon and stir very well. You add your glycerin. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe. Special thanks to my subscribers and my viewers. You add your fragrance. As you can see, my bathing liquid soap is foaming. Dissolve your color with water. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Also comment. Then you add your color. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe. Then you add your table salt. The more table salt, the more thick it is. Please subscribe. Then you add your vitamin E oil. Your bathing liquid soap is ready. Measurement is at the end of this video. This is after some time. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.